Hello little artist, today we're drawing one of my favorite characters of Frozen, Elsa. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna start doing the base of my picture right here, okay? In the middle of the paper. And this is gonna be the guide for my character. So I'm gonna start doing a circle. And this circle is about 1/4 of the length of the paper. So if I put a circle here, a circle here, and a circle here, I can fit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is one. And I'm gonna do a second one down here, right here. And I'm gonna try to do it the same length, the same size circle. Okay, these don't have to be perfect. It's just a guide. And we're gonna erase them when we finish. So again, it's the length of the paper, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm doing 2 in the middle. Okay, see, it's the same size kind of. And if you want, we can do actually a line down here so we can see what is gonna be the feet. So the first circle is the head, the second circle is gonna be for the body. Okay, now I'm gonna take my marker and I'm gonna start doing the hair, and with this circle I want to start kind of like an inside of the circle, so I'm just gonna do a curvy line right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, and now from the outside of the circle I want to do 1 that goes in and pretty much out. Okay, just look like that. Now the next is gonna go this way, okay, over this way. So I'm just gonna go kind of like a wavy, kind of like a letter S. And now let's go down here, and we're gonna continue with the line of the circle that we have with pencil. And now from this point right here, I'm gonna take 1 out. So just like that, just like a half a circle, like a letter U. Now let's close this one right here, and I'm just gonna follow the line I have of the circle. And from this point, I'm gonna do 1 close there. And from this point, I'm gonna start doing right here, I'm gonna start doing all the waves of the hair, like all the waves of her hair. So that's 1. Then let's do 1 more. This one is a little longer than the first one. Then 1 more. And I'm just gonna continue going that down, down, down here. Okay, so 1 more. And then 1. And let's do the last one right here. And here I'm just gonna close it, like I'm gonna start closing all of these ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over, joining the corners of the lines on the top for her hair. Okay, just close here. And this one we're gonna do it differently. Let's just do like a triangle right there. Now I'm gonna do lines inside of these ones, and those lines are not gonna touch to the top, so it's just gonna go like this. Okay, so let's put 1 line in each of these kind of like triangles we did, just in the middle. We can fit 2 in this one. Let's put 2 in this one too, and this one let's do it down like that, just like there. All right, so now I'm gonna continue doing the ears, and the ears are 2 half of circles, 2 half of circles that goes outside of the circle I did with pencil. I hope you can see, like the pencil is right here. I'm gonna mark it a little bit more for you guys to see. Okay, and now I wanna close these 2 by, okay, let's do 1 more hair right here on the top of the ear, and now 1 on the bottom right there. Let's do the same in the other side. Let's put 1 kind of like a half circle on the bottom of the ear, just like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a little detail here in front of the left ear, just kind of like a triangle right there. Okay, and now I'm going to start closing the face, just following the line of pencil I did. So let's start right here up to the right. So just following along the line I did with pencil, and we're gonna close the face. Okay, next I'm gonna start working on the neck, and for that I'm just gonna do a triangle right there. And if you notice, I'm going on the second part of the circle. See, I'm buzzing on the next part of the circle. Now let's do the shoulder. So the shoulder is gonna be a diagonal line that goes to the left. Okay, now let's do the other side right here. So we do the shoulder. Now we're gonna do the braid that goes down, and we are going to do 2 lines that goes down. So the first one is here. Now we leave a little bit of a space, and let's do one more just like that. Now let's work on the inside, and we're gonna do kind of like 2 diagonal lines. So one goes to the left and the other one goes a little down and goes to the right. And from that point I'm gonna continue doing kind of like triangles, and I'm just gonna do 2 of them. The third one is gonna be upside down, kind of like pointing down, and I want to close it here with a rectangle. Now let's do lines to cross in the middle, just on the 2 triangles, a square or a rectangle on the bottom. And to finish this braid, I'm just gonna do kind of like a drop shape for the end of the hair. And here I'm just gonna do 2 half a circles. This is the first one, and let's do one more right here. So right here is one more there. Okay, so the hair is done. I want to continue now with the arm I left here. So if you notice, I'm following along a little bit of the circle line I have with pencil, and the arm is extended to the left. So I'm just gonna go and take this line to the left, and now I'm gonna go a little bit up, and now I'm gonna go up a little bit and trace a line that goes down right here. And now let's close the waistline, so just across, and it's gonna touch the braid. Now Elsa has here like a belt, so I'm just gonna go up a little bit here and start going up, almost touching that first triangle I did for the neck, and close back down. Now here I want to continue doing kind of like the dress of Elsa, and the left side is just gonna be curved line that goes down, and then now let's go to the right. You can do this one a little wavy, and now let's come from top to bottom to close that. Here I'm gonna do a triangle just to make it look like her dress is flying. And here I'm doing the right side, the same idea, just behind the braid, and close it right here. Perfect. So we're almost touching this line that we put here for the shoes, and I want to make sure that the shoes actually rest on that line. So I'm gonna trace here the first boot, and that boot is kind of like looking to the front, so I'm just doing a little line here to make a detail. And now let's do the next one. It's gonna be kind of like facing to the right, so I'm doing here the heel, and now I'm gonna take it down and around and close it. That's the other boot. Now I want to continue with the arm that goes behind the braid right here. So I'm just gonna imagine the line goes behind, and I'm just gonna continue that line and close that arm right here. Good. Now let's continue with the hand on the left side, and from here I'm just gonna do 4 fingers. So this is the thumb, and now let's do 3 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 U shapes together. Now a little line for the palm, and close the hand. Now let's do the next one. For this one, she had in her hand one of those diamond shapes. I think in the movie they call it the spirits, and the hand is gonna go, or the fingers are gonna go passing behind. So let's close one here, and now I'm just gonna do 1, 2, and 3 fingers and close it right there. Perfect. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done. Now let's continue with the face, and I'm gonna start with the eyes. So the first I'm gonna do is kind of like the top line of the eyeball, and it's just like half a circle right here. You see, it's a little more like flat in this point. And now let's do one more, and to make those like look like the line of the lashes, I'm just gonna pass my marker a couple times and on both lines, just to make sure that that line is thicker. And now let's finish those eyes by doing half a circles down here. So I'm going in a little and half a circle. Let's do the same in the other side. I'm going in a little and half a circle. Now let's do one more half a circle inside of this, just like that, and the same in the other side. Now to put the shine of the eye, I'm going to do, or the reflection in the eye, I'm going to do one circle here, one little circle here, and we're going to do one more, but this one is really tiny. Okay, so tiny circle here that touches the other one. You see, so we have two. And now I'm going to fill with black around those two circles. Okay, just fill it with black right here, fill it with black, and the same there. Perfect. Now I want to do the lashes, and those lashes are just 3 lines here, but remember I want to make it thicker, so I'm just passing my marker a couple times on those lines. Okay, so 3 lines there, and I want to do the same on the bottom. But first let's finish with the eyebrows. So the eyebrows are lines that go a little bit like diagonal. They are curvy, and I pass again my marker a couple times. So now I want to do the lashes here. So here I pass the marker a couple times. It looks like this. And now let's do the same with the 3 lashes right there. Now let's go to the other side. So a couple times and 3 lashes there. Perfect. Okay, we're almost done with the face. So now let's do just nose and mouth. So the nose is like kind of like a backwards letter C, and the smile is just gonna be a curved line, little one there. That's it. So we finished Elsa, and now the only thing is left is erase those lines we did with pencil, and that's it. Now my favorite part, let's color. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!